are still not fine. Also this one, Mama Calico never eat, so she's still dehydrated. I don't know if she's still alive until tomorrow. And there is one cat here that also sick, but she don't like me to touch her, so I'm not going to help her. And the cats here, kitten here, I don't know, I think they are fine. And this one too, very dehydrated and having diarrhea, so they are always having diarrhea, so I don't know what kind of food I will give them. She very dehydrated, so I don't know, this one also will still alive until tomorrow. And this kitten here, I don't know, maybe they are fine too. I'm just tired. And winter is okay, but yeah, we still need nebulizer, but I don't have nebulizer yet for him. I'm just tired force feeding, so I just have a lot of vet bills. But I'm still doing a nebulizer. I just can't really do the force feeding this one. I will send them for a new vet now, and the Mama Calico. So I hope after this no more getting ill, because I don't think I will still can send them for in a vet. I have a lot of bills that I still need to pay. And there are the cats here that very breathing noisy.